Hello, Jim Tech Bros. We've got the Pixel 11 Pro 5G sub 6.3 inch 160mm 512GB Obsidian in hands, along with the new watch. So stay tuned for both of those. So let's get it out of the box, unbox it, see what it's all about, and hopefully this time the cover will slide off. It's playing hard like the case or the watch cover did. Smoke coming up from the Pixel 10A, of course. That's the back of the box there. Ooh. So we have got USB-C, USB-C, booklets inside, and the phone itself. And that feels nice, and it looks nice. Very nice. So, usual buttons here on the side, speakers on the bottom, USB-C, and of course we've got this camera hump here on the back, SIM tray up top, and mic, and of course your antenna bands, and that's what it looks like there. Pretty nice indeed. And put it beside the 10A. Not much of a difference, but there's a lot more difference when it comes to the weight, which is nice. It feels and looks premium. Other manufacturers, please take note. No locking, case or no case. And a close up of that band there. Some people might think that's too big, but that's the way they've been, the camera bar. But for me, it's fine. So we'll get it set up and running and come back to you after the break. Hello, Jim Tech Bros. We've got the Pixel Watch 5 in. 45mm LTE, previous one here, 4. And satin pyrite aluminium case, olive active band, 2nd gen. Right, yo, let's get it out of the box. See what it looks like. And we pulled off the tab there, and it doesn't seem to be cooperating. So I'm gonna have to pull off this bit here. And get it out. It's the only way. So that's what we've got underneath, same as last year. Let's have a look. So we've got 2 compartments, one each end. Let's start down here. So in here we've got our booklets. That is it. Then back in. In here we have got straps. Let's take them out. So we've got, out you go, put that back in there as well. 2 different sizes, I think, as before. Just put that there. So that's them. Green, olive green. And again, pretty much the same as last year by the looks of it. That's them there, you've got 2 different sizes. So we will be going with these 2 here. And we can put that one away. Onto the watch itself. Whoops. We've got the watch there. And in here we have, of course, got the charger. Again, it's a base as before, which is a lot handier to charge your watch like that. So we know what they look like. Just pop that to one side. And here is the new design. So if you look from last year, you can see it's really nice. And that's the front of it there. And the side and the back. And pretty much the same. let's put on the straps. So to put on the straps, I'll be putting the top bit in here. And in you get, hang on. And you get them like that. I'm always a nuisance putting these straps on. So you can see here now, it's starting up like so, but it does look a lot nicer, I think. And the straps are fairly solid, as you can see. And it's starting off with Gemini Intelligence. Like that. So we're going to get it set up, match up to our Pixel 11 Pro, of course. And we'll be back with a full review, so stay tuned after the break. We'll be taking it away. It won't be a while, but you'll get to see it shortly. Talk to you then. Stick around.